Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn the reported past tense. As you know, there are two past tenses in Turkish. One of them is definite past tense and the other one is reported past tense. In our previous lesson, we learned definite past tense. So what is reported past tense and when are we going to use it? If we are talking about something in the past that we didn't do or we didn't see, then we are going to use reported past tense. Also, if we did something in the past, but we don't remember, for example, we did something when we were a baby, it's normal that we don't remember it, but we heard this from our parents, then we are going to use reported past tense. And lastly, if we did something in the past, but we are not aware of it, and a few time later we recognize it, for example, we go out, but we forgot our phone at home, and a few hours later we recognize it. In this case, we are going to use reported past tense. All right, as you see, reported past tense suffix is mush, mish, mush, or mush, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. On the right, you can see the person pronouns and the person pronoun suffixes. Let's start with some examples. I went. Okay, this happened in the past. I did it, but apparently I don't remember it. For example, we went somewhere with our parents when we were a baby, so we don't remember it. It's normal, but we heard this from our parents. In this case, we are going to use reported past tense. Let's do it. Person pronoun I, ben, go, git, reported past tense suffix, miş, and the person pronoun suffix, im. Ben gitmişim. I went. Ben gitmişim. Let's make another one. You opened. Okay, you opened. I didn't see it. I was not there, but I heard this from someone else. You, sen, open, aç, reported past tense suffix, açmış, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, sın. Sen açmışsın. You opened. Sen açmışsın. Another one, he closed. I didn't see it. I heard this from someone else. Close is kapat in Turkish. Let's write the person pronoun he, o. Close, kapat. Reported past tense suffix, kapatmış. Is there any person pronoun suffix for o? None. So the sentence is o kapatmış. He closed. O kapatmış. Let's make some plural ones. We forgot. Forget is unut. For example, we go to school, but we forgot our books at home, and a few hours later, we recognize that we forgot the books at home. So in this case, we use reported past tense. We forgot. Person pronoun we, biz. Forget, unut. And the reported past tense suffix, unutmuş, and the person pronoun suffix to the end. Unutmuşuz. Biz unutmuşuz. We forgot. Biz unutmuşuz. We did this, but we are not aware of it. We recognize it sometime later. Let's make another one. You laughed. I didn't see it. Somebody told me. You, plural, siz, laugh, gül, reported past tense suffix, müş, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, sünüz. Siz gülmüşsünüz. You laughed. Siz gülmüşsünüz. And lastly, they spoke. I didn't see it. Somebody told me. Speak is konuş in Turkish. Let's write the person pronoun they first. Onlar. Speak, konuş. Reported past tense suffix, muş. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Onlar konuşmuşlar. They spoke. Onlar konuşmuşlar. So to write a reported past tense sentence in Turkish is, as you see, so easy. Now let's make some negative sentences in reported past tense. As you see, negative suffix is ma or me, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. Because of that, reported past tense is mış and miş, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony also. Let's start. I didn't go. Go is git. All right. I, ben, go, git, not go, negative, gitme, didn't go, gitmemiş, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, im. Ben gitmemişim. I didn't go. Ben gitmemişim. Another one. You didn't join. Join is katıl in Turkish. Let's try person pronoun you first. Sen. Join, katıl. Not join, katılma. Didn't join, katılmamış. And the person pronoun suffix to the end, katılmamışsın. Sen katılmamışsın. You didn't join. Sen katılmamışsın. Another one. He didn't get married. Get married is evlen in Turkish. Let's cite the person pronoun first. He, o. Get married, evlen. Not get married, evlenme. Didn't get married, evlenmemiş. Is there any person pronoun suffix for o? None. So the sentence is o evlenmemiş. He didn't get married. O evlenmemiş. Another one. We didn't live. Live is yaşa in Turkish. Let's write person pronoun we first. Biz. Live, yaşa. Not live, yaşama. Didn't live, yaşamamış. And the person pronoun suffix to the end, is. Biz yaşamamışız. We didn't live. Biz yaşamamışız. Let's write another one. You didn't cut. Cut is kes in Turkish. Let's write the person pronoun you first. Plural, siz. Cut, kes. Not cut, kesme. Didn't cut, kesmemiş. And the person pronoun suffix to the end, siniz. Siz kesmemişsiniz. You didn't cut. Siz kesmemişsiniz. Another one. They didn't open. Open is aç in Turkish. Let's write the person pronoun first. They, onlar. Open, aç. Not open, açma. Didn't open, açmamış. And the person pronoun suffix to the end, açmamışlar. Onlar açmamışlar. They didn't open. Onlar açmamışlar. Now let's make some mixed examples with full sentences. You went to the conference. I was not at the conference. Someone was at the conference and that person told me that you were at the conference. You went to the conference. Let's write it. You, sen. The person pronoun is in the beginning. And the verb is going to be always at the end. So now I'm going to write conference. How am I going to write to conference? Konferansa. All right. Sen konferansa. You to the conference. Went. Let's write go first. Now let's make it went. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sen konferansa gitmişsin. You went to the conference. Sen konferansa gitmişsin. I didn't see it. I was not there. I heard this from someone else who was in the conference. Let's write another one. You didn't come to school yesterday. I heard this from someone else who was at school yesterday. Come is gel in Turkish. Let's write person pronoun you first. Sen. The verb is going to be at the end. So now I'm going to write the time. Yesterday, dün. Where? School, okul. How am I going to write to school? Okula. Come, gel. Not come, gelme. Didn't come, gelmemiş. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Sin. Sen dün okula gelmemişsin. You didn't come to school yesterday. Sen dün okula gelmemişsin. Another one. They got married last week. Okay, I was not at the wedding, but I heard this from someone at the wedding. Get married is evlen in Turkish. So let's write the person pronoun first. They, onlar. Last week, last, geçen. Week, hafta. Got married. Let's write get married first. Evlen. Let's make it got married. Evlenmiş. And the person pronoun suffix to the end. Ler. Onlar geçen hafta evlenmişler. They got married last week. Onlar geçen hafta evlenmişler. And lastly, they didn't work at the weekend. Let's write they first. Onlar. At the weekend. Weekend. Hafta sonu. Week is hafta. Son is end. And this is a compound noun. That's why a u suffix at the end of end, son, hafta sonu. Work, çalış, not work, çalışma, didn't work, çalışmamış, and the person pronoun suffix to the end, çalışmamışlar. Onlar hafta sonu çalışmamışlar. They didn't work at the weekend. Onlar hafta sonu çalışmamışlar. Okay, friends, if you have any questions about this lesson, please write them in the comment section. Hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.